Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm changing my house into a neutral color. Okay guys, summer is over and then it's fall and I wanted to go for a neutral look. Okay guys, keep on watching. I got this chair from Overstock. I had two of them. Originally, I purchased them to put in my bedroom, but I needed more sitting area since I removed my bookcase and I put it in my office. So I said I'm gonna use it into the living room for now, and then when I have a new set, I'll put it in the bedroom. Okay, guys. Normally, what I do, since I have a lot of kids, I always spray my chairs whenever they're new, or even they're not new, I always spray them to protect them from water, milk, juice, whatever. For those of you who have kids, you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, let's get to work. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, I do home decor, clean with me. And if you are not new and haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so. And for all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm so grateful for all of you guys, and keep on watching. I always like to change my house and then change the furnitures, move them places. It's gonna create another environment. You don't need to buy new stuff if you don't have to. But me, everything is different for me. This vacuum, I got it from Amazon and it's super nice for the price. It does a lot of work. So I'm gonna leave everything in the description box down below for you guys. You can check it out.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.
After I broom, I always mop and steam clean. I don't know if I'm supposed to mop, but I like it this way, so that's why I always mop first, then steam clean. I really do like this steam cleaner. If you are a pet lover and you have kids, and then this thing is a must-have, because as you can see the steam coming out of it, it keeps the house super clean and fresh and kill all the unwanted bacteria. If you don't have one, I think you should buy one. I'm gonna leave the link down below for you guys.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken, You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
As I mentioned earlier, you can see all the variety of cleaning I can do with this baby. I really like it, and guys, it's not sponsored and I really like it. I think I should share it with you guys. It's not the first time I use it, but I never like talk about it that much.
Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
I'm using this plug-in air wick to make the house smell good.
On a new adventure. You'll find me dancing on my own, nowhere to be, nowhere to go.
Most of the stuff that I use in this video, they are items that I already have at the house, and you know, I just change them places like I said before, so to make it look different in different angle. And those flowers, I get them from Hobby Lobby.
Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure.
And the velvet pillowcase, I get them from Amazon. I get this table warmer from Amazon, and I put it on my sideboard because I wanted to change the look. This is a finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Keep on watching.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay my mind like
Thank you so much for taking your time watching my video. I love you so very much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and It's you and we go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.